Welcome back. This is John's Tropical Paradise, and I'm just sitting here in front of my cinnamon tree. And this is one of my favorite trees on my property. It looks very beautiful, and it smells very fragrant. Of course, this is where cinnamon comes from. This is a true cinnamon tree. I believe they call it cinnamon verum, and then there's like a Cassia one that's also sold, but this is the true cinnamon. And something that's really nice about this is that you can take the leaves and crush them up, and you get a really nice fragrant cinnamon smell. I wish you can smell how fragrant this cinnamon is. If this was smell tube, then it would smell really nice. Oh, maybe one day. But yeah, so if you didn't know where cinnamon came from, it actually comes from the bark of the tree, and they will cut it down, well, basically down to the ground, and take I guess it's the inner bark of the tree. And then if you find them in sticks, basically that's why they're kind of rolled up, because I mean the trunk of the tree is circular, so I mean you'll see them in the stick form, and then also like obviously in powder form. But a lot of the times when you're getting the powder, they mix it up with the non-true cinnamon tree that I believe, I couldn't tell you if it's like Cassia or something like that, but there's true, and then there's another one that's widely known. So if you're picking it up from store, you should probably look and see if it says it on the label. Otherwise, you're probably getting the other variety of it, and they like to sneak it in there. I don't know the true percentages of it, but look to see that you're getting the true cinnamon. It should be the cinnamon verum, and if you could see right here, the trunk should be close enough for maybe me able to harvest, but it just started to bark over, and it didn't have any problems whatsoever throughout the freeze. Yeah, I get down to about 25 degrees here for 2 nights in a row. I know everybody up north is like, oh, 25 degrees, but when you're here and it's like humid and 25 and windy, it gets really cold. And then what happened is the second night it went really dry, and it just took out everything. But that's besides the point. This tree looks amazing. It didn't suffer any problems. It's a very nice looking, from the deep red to it kind of looks orangish. Then it kind of gets like a light green, and then to darker green. But yeah, if you love the smell of cinnamon, you would probably love having this tree around. You could probably have it kept in a container, or try to put it in the ground. I don't know how exactly cold hardy is, but again, didn't have any problems. So yeah, if you like seeing more of this content, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll share more of my cinnamon and other trees I'll spotlight some other ones. If you like this one, you can definitely ask me as much as you want about it. Happy to answer any questions. But again, I'm learning just as much as you are. This is very new to me, and I've had this in the ground for about maybe 2 years. It's got up to about just a little bit taller than me. So I'm about kind of close to 6'2", so I don't know, this is maybe 6'5"-ish, but I can always cut some of it back. And it just looks happy right now, so I'm not gonna mess with it. At some point, I'm gonna harvest the bark of it, but I'll just continue to use the leaves of it right now. And you can use it as a substitute for actual cinnamon too. Well, obviously it is actual cinnamon, so, but just to use, using the leaves and stuff. So you could break off a leaf, and then there you go, some cinnamon. So now it's gonna smell really nice and have this really nice cinnamon fragrance. Don't mind it one bit. Right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your day. Thanks. All right, bye-bye.